Hey guys, got another edition of L2L's tips and tricks for you. And today I'm going to show you how to check out L2L's newest features or just take a walk through the product with L2L's new self-guided product tours. So if you'd like to check out how L2L works, click on this QR code right here over my shoulder and you'll be taken to our self-guided product tour page. From there, you can select whichever tour best fits your needs. We have tours for plant managers, maintenance managers, and so on. Feel free to take multiple tours if you'd like. In each product tour, you can follow along with a narrative about a shop floor worker while exploring L2L's interface and getting the feel for L2L's worker-friendly tools. We've even got a tour for our new L2L team board that showcases the latest in L2L's innovation. So if you're curious about L2L, go ahead, click on the QR code and check out one of L2L's product tours for yourself. Happy touring!